Rick Remender, who is an American author and scientist, has rightly said that people will love to have the ability to read minds so that they can find the emotion and get the ability to go into a deeper place. I want this. This statement is very well said and is completely true. Have you ever wondered what would you do if you could read minds? How would it be beneficial to you? What are the major drawbacks? These questions are unduly and are very interesting to think of. Just like every coin has two sides, the power to read minds also has its own merits and demerits. I would like to start by stating the merits, which definitely outweigh the demerits. If you could read minds, you could know what the person is actually thinking about you and his honest opinions on you. It is after you know this that you can take important decisions regarding the relations that you want to maintain with that person. If the thoughts of people aren't in your favor, you can gradually start maintaining a distance from them. Whereas on the contrary, if a person is good natured with pristine thoughts, you can come as close as you desire, talk openly, and form a bond of love. The crime rates will also reduce drastically because quick action can be taken. The power to read minds also has a huge impact on the power of communication. Often people say one thing but mean something else. Mind reading can be used to figure out what a person is actually thinking and whether or not he is lying, which could in turn benefit us. However, there are a few demerits too. If you want to read minds, you have to be a really strong person because reality can often be disappointing. A person's thoughts and opinions about you might differ from your opinion about yourself, and thus it is very difficult to tolerate such dreadful thoughts. One more disadvantage is the manner, mode, and means by which this will be made possible. This will not be a cakewalk, and technology will have to be massively developed for this to be made possible. The next and the most important question is, how will this be invented? Will it be easy to invent this? I think the most convenient way of making this possible is by introducing thinking caps, which when worn will enable a person to read minds. Although this sounds like a childish fantasy, I believe that this can be made possible. It is very well said that nothing is impossible. And with the rapid advancement of technology, I believe that this can be invented. Recently, Elon Musk, who is a renowned scientist, invented a device known as the Neuralink, which is a tiny chip of the size 23mm by 9mm, which when inserted in one's brain can solve various problems relating to the brain and the spinal cord. I think apart from the thinking cap, such a device can be used to read minds, which when inserted in one's brain can help that person to read minds with the help of microwaves and radiations. There are a few recent inventions which are comical and weird, such as the football chair, which has a goalpost beneath the seat, which makes it extremely uncomfortable. The anti-theft lunch bags, which are plastic covers with spots on fungus on it, in which the food is placed, which give the impression that the food placed inside is rotten or spoiled. The coffee mug iron, which has a mug on one side and iron on the opposite side, so that you can drink coffee while ironing clothes. I think if a huge amount of time and money can be spent on these inventions, which aren't required and aren't needed, spending time and money on important inventions such as a thinking cap is definitely a great thing to do. I really hope that this device is invented as soon as possible. Being a singer myself, I really need the thinking cap. I have given a plethora of live performances, and after every performance, I am bewildered and confused because I do not know if the people liked my singing performance or not. The thinking cap can enable me to know what the people think about my singing. It would also give me a chance to improve in various aspects of my singing after taking into consideration the thoughts of various people. Everyone has a different opinion on this, and thus I urge each and every one of you to contemplate and think about this invention. Lastly, I would like to conclude with a quote by Richard Ratliff, who is an author and a scientist, which states that if you could read my mind, we both are instantly connected. So, how I wish I could read minds. Thank you.